Alrighty, hello everybody. Welcome to Geometry. I'm your host, Mr. Briggs. So, your fun fact of the day is that Benjamin Franklin, at age 17, left home from Boston to New York City and lived on his own in New York City at 17, which is crazy. This video today is going to be about proving that something is a parallelogram. So up to this point, we've been given the fact that something's a parallelogram and been asked to say, okay, since this is a parallelogram, we have opposite sides congruent. What other things do we have congruent? And I'm testing this Edpuzzle thing, so we'll see. So we have all these other characteristics from parallelograms. Now we are being given that something's a quadrilateral and being asked to prove that it's a parallelogram. There are multiple ways to do this, but the one that we're going to focus on this year is that if we get one pair of opposite sides parallel and congruent, then it must be a parallelogram. Okay, so what I mean by that is normally in a parallelogram, let me zoom in here. Okay, normally in a parallelogram, we have both pairs of opposite sides parallel and both pairs of opposite sides congruent. What I'm saying is that if we have one set of opposite sides congruent and parallel, that we have a parallelogram. Okay, there are other ways to prove that something's a parallelogram. For example, proving that all four sides are congruent, proving that, or no, not all four sides are congruent, opposite sides are congruent, proving that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, proving that both pairs of opposite angles are congruent, proving that the diagonals bisect each other. All of these are ways to do this. There's a fifth way, which is just saying, okay, my opposite sides are congruent and parallel. Just one set. And that will force the other side to also be congruent and parallel. Okay, so that's the method that we're going to be working with. So be thinking about that, be looking forward to it, and watch the next video.